Hi there, welcome to another guided meditation by the next breath. In this session, we'll focus on restoring the balance of our chakras to ensure the energy flows smoothly throughout our body, and in doing so, improve our overall health and well-being. So, if you found yourself a quiet spot, make yourself comfortable in a seated position and ensure your back is as upright as is comfortable to allow the oxygen and the energy to flow freely through your body. Just take a few moments to settle in and embrace the silence within you to prepare the mind and the body. Gently close your eyes and rest your hands with your palms open, facing upwards. Let's bring some focus to our breath, watching the movement from our chest and our stomach with each breath we take. Begin to slow down each inhale, taking in enough air to fill your lungs and expand the chest without forcing it. And with each exhale, feel your limbs and your chest relax further and settle into your grounded position. Take a nice deep breath in. Open your mouth and sigh as you exhale, letting go of all the pressure within. As you sit rooted to the ground, drawing strength up through your legs, your core and your back, bring your attention to the base of your spine and visualize a red sphere of light appear within. This red sphere, the first chakra, your rooted chakra, begins to light up inside you. The light grows stronger. It spreads to all areas of your internal baseline. See the light cast away any fear and anxiety you've been holding on to deep inside. As you cast out the negative energy, see that sphere of light reach out and begin to fill you with a sense of stability, security, and grounded energy. Embrace the balance this brings you. Take a deep breath in and exhale through your mouth. Now bring your awareness to the area just below your navel, your Sacral Chakra, and as before, see a light appear within you, a light in the form of an orange sphere. And as you focus on that sphere, notice how it begins to brighten and spread its light and its positive energy to its surroundings within you. And as the light spreads, watch as it washes over any negative emotions that have taken control inside you. As the light spreads within you, embrace the balance it restores to not only your emotions but also your sensual and sexual desires that have been clouding your mind and your judgment. Take a deep breath in, and when you exhale through the mouth, release all the unhealthy energy. As we follow the chakra line upwards from the navel, we now bring focus to the center of the chest, where we find our solar plexus chakra. We focus and visualize within to see this yellow sphere appear and welcome its presence. In this sphere we store our strength, our power, and our self-esteem. As we stay with this energy center, watch as the light within begins to grow and radiate warm, comforting waves of energy inside your body. As the chakra glows, feel that level of self-esteem and confidence within you replenish, and embrace the mental clarity, belief, and self-assurance that is restored as the chakra finds its balance. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, accept the change in your physical and mental well-being. As we continue along the path of chakras, remember to keep your body erect to maintain a healthy state of balance as the energy flows through you. If it helps, try to imagine a strong piece of string pulling the top of your head upwards towards the sky. Now bring your focus to the heart center, to a couple of inches within. Your heart chakra is the place where we feel safe and a reminder of home and life. With your mind's eye, see a green sphere of light appear within, and watch how the light begins to grow and spread through your body, connecting the solar plexus chakra and even expanding beyond your chest. As this powerful sphere of energy grows stronger and illuminates you with light, witness all of the stress and emotional pain that has settled inside you slowly diminish and fade away. And as this negative energy is flushed out, observe all the compassion, affection, and love you hold for yourself and others. Return to fill that empty space and restore balance. Feel that abundance of love completely fill your heart and shine through beyond your body. Express that feeling of love by placing a soft smile upon your face. Breathe in and breathe out. As you breathe in, each breath delivers a current of energy to the spheres you have ignited, restoring those chakras to their optimum level. As you sit tall with your palms open, each breath draws energy from the universe through every pore of your body and charges your spirit. Moving upwards, bring focus to your throat center, the chakra that is your source of truth and communication. See a blue sphere appear within that space, and as you rest your focus on that sphere, your attention begins to bring energy to that chakra and fill it with a healing light. As you breathe into that space, see the light within the sphere grow stronger, bringing warmth to your throat. If you have been feeling lost for words, as though the vocal light within you had been fading away. Embrace the warmth as it begins to restore your strength and confidence in speech. If you have been feeling unwell in the throat or surrounding areas, allow the warmth of that radiating sphere to soothe you back to good health and well-being. Breathe into your throat to unblock this chakra and restore balance. Follow the chakras up from the base to the navel to your solar plexus, the heart, your throat, and now your head in the space between your eyebrows. This is your third eye chakra, the center of intuition and foresight, openness and imagination. As you rest your attention on this space, breathe in and see an indigo sphere appear within. As you breathe in, each inhale fuels the sphere with energy and light. And as that light grows stronger, it breaks up any clouds of self-judgment, past fears, and negative perceptions of life that have filled your mind. And as those dark inner clouds begin to part ways by the power of light within you, welcome back your confident sense of direction and clarity. Look forward to a future of possibilities and abundance of opportunities. Trust yourself, love yourself, and let go of how others perceive you. Take a nice healing deep breath in and exhale through the mouth. From your third eye, shift your attention up to the top of your head, where you find your crown chakra. With the next breath in, awaken a purple sphere within that space. Take a few moments to sit in peace and quiet as you meditate with your crown chakra at the center of your mind. As you focus on this sphere, watch as the light within begins to grow. And as that light strengthens, you begin to feel that connection with the universe slowly restored. The connection with everyone and everything in your life restored. The feeling of happiness, self-content, and completeness restored. Your mind is no longer closed, but open to welcome all conversations and outcomes. As you continue to sit there, bring your first chakra, the rooted chakra, back to mind. Unblocked and powered by the energy of the universe and within you. See that sphere of light begin to pulsate brightly. Move up to the Sacral Chakra and see that sphere of light pulsate in sync. Move up to the Solar Plexus and see that sphere of light pulsate in sync. Move up to the Heart Center and see that sphere of light shine brightly and pulsate in sync. Move up to the Throat Chakra and see that sphere of light pulsate and radiate in sync. Move up to your third eye and watch as the light within you shines brightly. And finally, move up to your crown chakra and watch as the sphere of light of universal energy pulsates brightly in sync with all chakras along the vertical path of your body. Fully lit, fully recharged, you have unblocked all chakras and restored balance to your mind, your body and spirit. Take a deep breath in and sigh as you exhale through the mouth. Repeat these words aloud. I feel connected to everyone and everything. I am complete. I am happy. I am love. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your physical connection with the space around you. Lend your ears to the sounds that surround you. Bring subtle movements to your limbs, your fingers and toes. And when ready, with the next breath, open your eyes and enjoy the rest of your day. Namaste.